Okay, so sorry for the cutoff, but so for circles, say I was given x minus 1 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 4. Okay, so in conics everything is opposite, so this would technically be plus 1, so it would be negative 1. So if I want to find the radius, I'm going to take this and I would just find the square root of that. The radius is going to be 2. So, okay, now let's call this. The radius is equal to 2. It's going down 1, and it is going right 1. So it looks something like this. Go right here. And then go up 2 units. We can just say that's 2 units. 2, 2. And draw your circle. And it's pretty simple. I think it's really simple. It's one of my favorite things to do because it's just so simple. And so yeah, that's circles. And finally, for fourth quarter, the thing that I did not like doing is long division. Because it's just long and boring, and once you learn synthetic division, you probably never want to go to long division. It's super duper duper boring and really long consuming. Okay, so for example, if I were given example of 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10 divided by x minus 2. So I'd set it up something like this. X minus 2, 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10. And then what you would do is you would find from this x, how would you find that? So in this case, you would use 3x squared. So what would you times this? What would you times this by this to get this? And so you get 3x cubed minus 6x squared. And by the way, in long division, there's always going to be subtracting. So this is all going to be opposites. So technically this will be 10x squared, and bring this down. And then it's 20 and 20x plus 10. So there's 10x. And then you do plus 20. 20x minus 40. And that would come out to 50. So this would be your final answer. So 3x squared plus 10x plus 20 plus 50 over x minus 2. So it's really time consuming, but it works, and sometimes it works better than synthetic division. So the thing that I think can apply to our life is growth and decay. So, for example, if we wanted to find out the number of students that we'll have in 2 years, so let's say, so we have currently 200 and 900, 2,900, students, and then, because this is our initial amount, right here, that's our initial, then you do 1 plus the rate, but it has to be changed to a decimal, so it'd be 0.15, and then time goes up here in the little decimal exponent space, and since it's 2 years, then we would put a 2, and then you just put it in the calculator, and you should get your answer. And so then, by that, we know that 3,835 students would be at McKinney Boyd High School in 2 years because of the rate of growth. And yeah, so I think that applies to life, and you can do that with like how many birds are going to be in San Francisco, how much worth your car is going to be in a couple of years. It's really useful, and I think it's really useful life. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my project, and bye.